Did you know one of history's greatest philosophers died trying to become a god? Empedocles discovered that everything is made of four elements: earth, air, fire, and water. He understood that love and conflict drive the universe, but his wisdom couldn't save him from his own ego. In 430 BC, this brilliant thinker jumped into Mount Etna, believing the volcano would make him immortal. Instead of gaining godhood, he lost everything. The lesson? Even the wisest minds can fall when pride overrides wisdom. Stay humble no matter how much you know.